so I can smash.
Come on.
Wow. What about you? What about you?
I'm not in. Oh.
How about you?
You kept falling.
How about you? Yeah, I've dropped it down to the ones below.
No, I'm talking about you fell through the ones that were there though.
Yeah, okay, I gotta take her. I gotta take her. I gotta take her. Come on. What about you? What about you? What about you? Paul? We going to them or they coming to us?
Going to them.
Rada, real, Rada. Here we go. Boom.
Got her.
There we go, baby.
Got her.
There we go, baby. Good fish, good fish, good
What
fish.
is happening to you, Tim?
I got him, baby. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. T Bush Hookset is in the building, baby.
Here we go. You already know what it is, folks. Today is another one of these days. And then wow. So you know what that is. That means it's a great day to go fishing. It is Drysdale, and we are out here on Lake Oconee. Today, I'm fishing with T Bush AKA Hookset. Y'all see that daggone aggressive hookset he just set on that fish.
Boom.
Got her.
Yep. Boom.
Got her.
Yep.
What it do, man? What hook, man? Where
In the hard part of the mouth, baby, they don't get off. They paper mouths because y'all be hooking them over here. If you take your hand straight to the sky, that hook going the business in the hard part of that mouth.
Whatever. So, folks, we're going to see if we can put some of these Lake Oconee slabs in the boat. This is your first time fishing this year?
Yes, sir. 2026, and we don't give a piss about nothing but these evil but tasty crappie in 2026, baby.
We don't give a what?
A piss.
Okay. All right, folks. Well, we ain't giving pisses today. So, let's see how we do on this episode of Crappie Fishing with Drysdale.
Let's go get them. Fire.
12 feet. There you go, drop it right down there. Folks, I wish when I was open water suspended fishing that I could put my live, sometimes I'll put my live scope on it, but that's just extra that I have to do. Hey, are they dropping?
Yep. I'm dropping with them.
No,
there you go, there you go. I'm there.
I don't think you are.
No.
They back that way. Decent fish.
Decent fish.
Mm-hmm.
And then blew up the spot.
Mm-hmm. Once I set the hook on it, they spooked.
Cause you don't know how to be tender.
Tender.
Hand soft.
Tender.
Like a woman.
Subtle.
Supple.
Mm-hmm.
No.
They back that way. So I'm gonna let them drift off a little bit, then I'll come up on them.
That was two on that CMI. Guacamole. I can't get up there no more. I did it once.
That guacamole. You can't get soprano, huh? All right, there we go. We swing around to them. So don't go too far, cause with us drifting, by the time you
pause, Grandpa.
yeah, they don't say you no virgin.
I didn't say virgin.
Yeah, you did. You said you're a virgin at this kind of.
Oh, I thought I said that was a.
I'm saying novice.
That's me.
That's me.
I saw him. Oh, I thought he was coming to get me. Okay, I'm gonna get his friend.
There we go. There we go. See, this
is a good fish.
Is that a crappie or is that a hybrid?
That's a crappie. That's a good fish.
That's a good crappie.
Look, see where he got him at, and the side of the mouth.
But you see, She inside
Okay, come on, come on, come on.
Oh, where you at?
Keep coming. Keep coming.
That's just you. There's something chasing.
Oh, that's
No,
it. Look like, hey.
There you go, folks. Look at that fatty. So I haven't told y'all Happy New Year this year yet. So Happy New Year. This is my 3rd time fishing in 2026. I'm gonna clip right here my first fish of 2026. I don't think I posted that either. There go 2 fish right there. So first fish of 2026. One of many to come. Let's check her out, put her on the scale, see what she weighs. I'm betting 1.25 pounds. Let's look at how she hooked. Hooked real good in the top of the mouth. One of them crappie baits by CMI. This one's a 1/8 ounce jig. Let me get my scale for her. Let's see what we're doing. And she's 142. Yep. Folks, you ain't gonna get at 30 feet. I would rather you wait and see how you drifting forward to it.
Yeah, I mean, but you're telling me you saying go, so my fire. You know.
I'm trying to let me line you up. Let me put this in the boat first. In the bucket rather.
Come on. Got.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
I almost screwed that up.
Yep.
Good fish. Look at that, y'all. You see that? Now that ain't in the hard part of the mouth, but it's up.
It's in the boat.
It's in the face.
It's in the boat.
Yeah.
The important part is there to get
Look
to the
at that.
boat.
It's 18 inches long, y'all.
18 inches. It's 18. What they call them? Them Facebook 2-pounders.
Zeros. Where you at? Monster. It was 12 crappie, 1 megalodon, 15.3/4 inches, 1.98. Look, that's a 13-inch fish. That's a 16-inch fish. Look at that. Isn't that crazy? Look at the back. I'm gonna ride this home.
You're gonna ride it home.
I'm gonna ride it home. I ain't gonna drive the truck.
Well, all right, YouTube. That is going to do it for another one of these episodes of Crappie Fishing with Drysdale. Hookset.
Yes, sir.
We just saw what he did.
Man.
A new way for fishing for you today. Tell the folks what you think.
For all y'all that go out and chase roaming fish,
Sniper fishing.
sniper fishing, I have a fond respect for y'all, because that's a whole nother technique that I'm excited to learn, you know, open my repertoire. But it you go through some emotions. You go through some emotions.
Hey.
But man, the rewarding part was, you know, going through that, and then when you got it, like it was amazing. And this, hello, when you get it,
Aye.
look at the gill plate on that mug.
That's a nice fish, man.
It ain't my PB. My PB is 221. So yeah, man, that sniper fishing, I want to do it more. I want to get better at it, because it's something like. And then I got excited once you get it, like, man. But just I like figuring stuff out. So that part right there. But
Hey, who put you on that fish?
Drysdale.
Okay, well,
And that was that crappie baits by CMI. What originally was Money Milk is now is Monkey Smoke.
I thought you caught that on that guacamole.
No, sir. I caught everything else. I caught guacamole. Caught on guacamole. Caught on ripe green apple.
Whoa. You gotta say it again.
I can't get that. I can't get that high.
You say it the way you say it.
Guacamole. I can't get up there. But them crappie baits by CMI baits, the best in the business.
So as always, folks, I thank you all so much for watching. I appreciate everybody who watches this channel, everybody who leaves those comments. and everybody who hits that like button. To my subscribers, my long-term subscribers, you already know what it is. Thank you so much for your continued support of this channel. To my new subscribers, welcome to the Drysdale family. And if you just happen to be scrolling through YouTube and you came across this channel, or if somebody recommended this channel to you, and you haven't already done so, go ahead and hit that button right there to subscribe to the channel, along with that bell right there, so that you get notified when I post new videos of me and whoever I might be fishing with.
Yeah,
Hookset! Catching more of these evil, but sure enough tasty crappie. So until the next time, folks, remember, the best days to go fishing are the ones that end in Y. Drysdale out.
Peace.